Hello everyone! Today's video is specially for all the lovely brides-to-be. I'm going to share a few essential items that you need to keep in your bridal touch-up kit. If you're not a bride-to-be, then you can use this video to create the ultimate party touch-up kit. So let's get into it. Product number 1 are these oil blotting sheets. Now these are very unique sheets of paper because you can just press them down on your face to remove the excess oil from in between your makeup and your skin, and this will not spoil your makeup or move it at all. Product number 2, which is an absolute essential for everyone, is a lipstick touch-up. A lot of brides don't eat or drink anything because they're worried about their lipstick moving around, but why would you do that? Just enjoy your wedding, eat or drink whatever you want, and when your lipstick wears off, just touch it up. The third thing that you want to keep are a few cotton swabs, Q-tips, or maybe even some tissue. If you have a little meltdown or an emotional moment, or your eyes just start watering when you sit for your feras, you can take a Q-tip and just press it into your tear ducts so that a lot of water doesn't come out of your eyes or spoils your makeup. The fourth thing that you want to keep in your touch-up kit is a loose powder or a compact powder. This will really help you in case your foundation starts looking dull towards the end of the function. Then you can just open up your compact and just touch up your face a little bit and make it look fresh and matte again. Last but not the least is a tube of eyelash glue. If you're wearing false eyelashes and if they just tend to come off a little bit from one corner, you can just pop on a little bit of glue from the nozzle and put them back on. While your makeup artist will do everything to make sure that you look perfect throughout the night, keeping a few of these things in a little touch-up kit will add that sense of security that in case something bad happens, you can touch it up and fix it yourself. I hope that you found today's video useful. I can't wait to talk to you guys again very soon. Bye!